Now, how do we draw cycloalkanes? First is you draw the ring. Second, add the substituents. So you have to add the alkyl groups on the correct carbon. Step 3, add hydrogen atoms if necessary. Carbon is tetravalent, so you need to have 4 bonds. Step 4 is to check. Okay, let's have cycloheptane. Let's draw the ring. Cyclo, so it's a ring. Hept, so it has 7 carbon atoms, and it's single bonded, so ane. Okay, so we draw this. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add substituents. There's no substituents, so you don't need to write anything. Add hydrogen atoms. This is a line angle formula, so it's not needed. So check. Is this structure a cycloheptane? Yes, because it's a ring with 7 carbon atoms. This one. Draw 1 cyclopropyl, 2 ethyl, 4,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. So if you notice, cyclo is part of the name because it's their name. Cyclopropyl, letter C. C comes first before E and M. Again, you don't consider the di. So let's draw. Draw the ring. We have hexane, so we draw apiatos, or this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add the substituents. So you have cyclopropyl at carbon number 1, ethyl at carbon number 2, and methyl at carbon number 4. So you add cyclopropyl at carbon number 1, at carbon number 2 you add the ethyl, carbon number 4 you add 1-methyl, and carbon number 4 again you add methyl. Or you can also write them like this, a line angle formula. So it is implied that you have 2 carbon atoms here, that's ethyl, 1 carbon atom here as methyl, and 1 here at methyl. So add hydrogen atoms. This one is not necessary. You check. So this is cyclopropyl, you have ethyl, you have methyl. So this is the correct drawing.